The 2024 Mercedes-Maybach S900 AMG is futuristic and elegant designs. This is more concretely a body kit rather than a new car designed in itself. As indicated by the prime contractor, this kit is based on the Z223 chassis of the new Mercedes S-Class. On the mechanical side, it has not yet provided any data that could allow us to know precisely what modifications have been made to the vehicle. However, reading between the lines, it would seem that the initial characteristics have been preserved. The interior of the Vision Mercedes-Maybach features an exciting contrast between high-level sportiness and luxurious spaciousness. In the Vision Mercedes-Maybach, spaciousness and comfort, in combination with the raised seating position, elegant design, and finest materials, particularly in the rear, give rise to a luxury experience at the highest level.